Hello there. Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, veteran actress Racheal Oniga reportedly dead. Let's check out the story. According to some posts on social media, veteran actress Racheal Oniga has been reportedly declared dead. This is, however, being confirmed at the moment, as we have seen a lot of posts indicating this without much information yet. According to Goldmine TV on Instagram, they wrote, veteran actress Racheal Oniga is dead. The beautiful, talented actress who still shot some scenes in a movie in Mowe, Ogun State earlier in the week passed on late Friday night. She was a grandmother who was divorced from her husband 19 years ago. Details of what led to her death is still sketchy. More details soon. This has come to a lot of people as a rude shock, as so many people are waiting for this to be declared as a rumor. Well, we're waiting for more information right here also, but before then, let's tell you a bit about Racheal Oniga in case you did not know. The last cinema movie by Racheal Oniga is My Village People, the movie by Bovi, where she also stepped out for the premiere, which we brought to you right here on Plug TV Live. Racheal Oniga was born May 23, 1957, and she's a Nigerian film actress who has been in the scene for so many years. She started her career officially in 1993 and was active since then till 2001. According to reports, she died on July 30, 2001. She originated from Eku, Delta State in southern Nigeria and began her career in acting in 1993 shortly after her divorce. She worked briefly at Ascoline Nigeria Limited, a Dutch consultant company, before her first movie titled Onome, and her debut Yoruba movie was Owo Blow. Over the years, Oniga has featured in notable Nigerian films such as Songo, a movie scripted by Wale Ogunyemi and produced and directed by Obafemi Lasude. She also featured in several series of Wale Adenuga's television series Super Story. Racheal Oniga is also a grandmother, as she became a granddaughter through her daughter Georgia, who delivered the baby recently. Some of her movies include Shango, which was shot in 1997, Out of Burns 1997, Owo Blow 1997, Passion of Minds 2004, Power of Sin, Restless Mind, Dr. Bello in 2013, 30 Days in Atlanta in 2014, Royal Hibiscus Hotel in 2017, Power of One in 2018, The Wedding Party, as well as My Village People, recently released in 2021. Till we get more information about the cause of death, remember to say prayer for the families of Racheal Oniga. That's all the gist we have for you today on Plug TV Live. Remember to like and subscribe before you go.